Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. So we are back with one more laptop review, and we have with us today a recently launched business laptop from Asus, and it's the Asus ExpertBook B9. In terms of the unboxing experience, we get this box in which we have the main laptop box, and here you can see the complete model number, which is the B9450F, and below it we have the specifications. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So we get this box which has the laptop inside, and you also get this leather finished cover for this laptop, which is really good. Now let's open the box and see the laptop. So here we have the new Asus ExpertBook, and guys, I'm really surprised at how lightweight this laptop is. And to be honest, this is actually the lightest 14-inch laptop I have ever seen till now. We will look at the laptop in a moment. Let's see what else we have here. So we get this black envelope which has the quick start guide. And in this box we get the power adapter. It's a Type-C 65-watt adapter, and the power adapter of this laptop is also compact. You also get this RJ45 adapter in the box to connect to a wired network. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the laptop closely. Asus ExpertBook B9 is a compact and a light work machine. I find the build quality of this laptop really good, and what surprises me most here is the weight, which is just 995 grams. The body of this laptop is made up of magnesium lithium alloy, which is lighter yet a very strong material as compared to aluminum and carbon fiber. And guys, basically this 14-inch laptop is fitted into a 13.3-inch laptop size, and that too with less weight. And also, this laptop comes with the 810G military grade standards, which makes this laptop rough and tough to use it in any condition, which includes extreme conditions like heat, dust, cold, high altitude, and even in high humidity condition. You don't have to worry about the performance of this laptop. Even though this laptop is compact and lightweight, there are no compromises in the I/O ports. So on the right side of the laptop, we have the status LED lights, headphone combo jack, one USB 3.2 Generation 2 port, and the Kensington lock port. On the left side of the laptop, we have two Type-C ports which support external display and power delivery. And then we have one HDMI port, and next to it, we have this mini USB port where you can connect the RJ45 adapter for the LAN connection. The Thunderbolt 3 ports on this laptop can also be used to connect an external GPU, which can convert this lightweight and compact machine into a fast workstation. Now let's open the lid and see the keyboard and touchpad layout. So guys, as you can see, this laptop is extremely lightweight. Still, you can open it with one hand without any struggle. The laptop also has this ergo lift design, which raises its base as you open the lid, which improves the ventilation, keeping this laptop cool while working. There is also one more advantage, as this will give you a nice comfortable angle for typing. You can also open the lid of the laptop 180 degrees, which allows you to have a better view of the display while sharing content. Now looking at the keyboard, we get the chiclet style backlit keyboard, and in this, the keycap size is 15mm and the pitch is 19mm, which means the spacing between the keys is very good. And I also like the key travel on this laptop, which is at 1.5mm, and while typing, this gives an overall smooth and a pleasant experience, which is must for a business laptop. Now about the touchpad, we have a good sized touchpad on this laptop, but the unique thing about this touchpad is the number pad 2.0, which we have also seen in the Asus ZenBook series recently. And here you have this illuminated numeric keypad built into the touchpad. In terms of the security features, we have the fingerprint scanner here next to the touchpad. Apart from that, you also get the infrared camera, which supports Windows Hello Login. And as you might have noticed that the camera of this laptop has this shutter by which you can disable the camera manually, which is a good privacy feature. Now coming back to the security features, the fingerprint scanner and the Windows Hello Login works perfectly, and the face and the fingerprint recognition is pretty fast. Now talking about the display of this laptop, we get the 14-inch Full HD LCD display, which offers 94% screen to body ratio. You get thin bezels on the sides, which will give you good experience while watching movies or showcasing presentations. Now talking more about the display, we get 100% sRGB rating and the 178 degrees viewing angle. The brightness of the display is 300 nits, and you also have the anti-glare coating on the display, which makes it easier to use this laptop in outdoor conditions. Now in terms of the battery, we get a 66 watt-hour battery in this laptop, which Asus claims that it can give you close to 24 hours of backup. And during our testing, we found the battery performance really good, and we were able to go through one whole day without the need of charging. And our usage included checking social media, watching videos on YouTube using a Bluetooth earphone, working on Word and Excel, and checking mail every now and then. We still had some juice left on the laptop at the end of the day. Now, let's talk about the specification of this unit. So this particular machine has the Intel Core i7 10th generation processor, which is the 10510U, and it's a quad-core processor with 8 threads. The base frequency is 1.8 GHz and the max turbo frequency is 4.9 GHz. In terms of the memory, we get the 16GB LPDDR3 2133 MHz onboard RAM. And about the storage, we get two M.2 slots in this laptop, which can be configured up to 2 TB. And about the performance of the hard drives, they are pretty good with some good read and write speed. And guys, I have been using this laptop daily for few days now, and according to me, this laptop performed really good. The display output is very good and the keyboard performance is also really good. And yes, the number pad 2.0 is also an advantage. You can also swipe down on the brightness key to quickly open the calculator. And guys, as it's a business laptop, so I'm sure you'll be curious to know about the camera and mic performance. And I can tell you that in this laptop, the built-in quad array mic performs really good and the camera quality is also decent, which is more than enough for video calls. The audio on this laptop is powered by Harman Kardon and the built-in 2-watt speakers also perform good. They're not the loudest, but the clarity and the output is really good. Connectivity wise, we're happy with the performance, and with the dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, we didn't face any issue, though we were missing the LTE connectivity option on this laptop. Overall, the Asus ExpertBook B9 is a wonderful working machine which comes with a lot of security features, including the Trusted Platform Module or TPM 2.0. You also get the IR face login and the fingerprint scanner. The design and the build quality of this laptop is good, and with the 1.5 cm thickness and weight which is just under 1 kg, we think that it's the lightest and the sleekest business laptop at the moment. And guys, performance wise, we didn't face any issue with this laptop which we expected from this hardware configuration. And also, the battery backup is really good. So to sum it up, this laptop is a perfect combination of power packed into a sleek and light design. The ExpertBook series from Asus is targeting business professionals who are always on the move. And keeping in mind the performance and the overall package, we find the Asus ExpertBook B9 laptop a wonderful machine. And guys, if you want to know more about the availability and pricing, then do check the link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Asus ExpertBook B9. Let us know if you like this laptop, and also do tell us your favorite feature about this laptop in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.